Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on ALCATEL 1T10 Smart. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store first. Now in the top search enter Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this app. Then we can choose a different theme, pick a toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between different privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on Start Browsing. Here let's open any website. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.